This is our first lesson in Scratch. Scratch is the little cat icon on your desktop, and it is computer programming for kids. So just click and open it up, double click, open it up, and this is what the program looks like. It's color coded. You're going to see there's the blue blocks, the purple blocks, the other purple blocks, the pen, which is green, the control, very important. You'll learn about those. Sensing, also. Operators looks a lot like math. And variables, which is an idea that we'll talk about later. But the first thing we need to do is we need to explore Scratch. And probably the best way to do that is you're going to go up here. It looks a lot like all the other programs we've used. It says File. So if we go to File, we're going to find the same things we see all the time, New, Open, Save. We're going to go to Open. And right here, this is where Scratch is a little bit different than other programs you're probably used to. You'll see a folder called Examples. And this is where people have made things in Scratch. And there are a lot of them for you to explore, change, alter. And today we're just going to explore. And we're going to start with games. And if you click on games and then say OK, there's a list of games that people have made in Scratch. Now I'm going to look at the game Pong. That was something that was from my childhood. And I'm going to click OK. And it's going to open up the game Pong for me. And we're just going to try playing it. Now, one of the first things you'll notice is that when green flag clicked, and that's about all you need to know right now. I click on the green flag and it starts my game. And my job is to move the paddle, which I have control over, and, oops, the red stop sign stops it. And that's how I play the game Pong. And if you look over here, you're going to see this is the script area. And you can play the game and kind of look at this a little bit if you want to see how it works. When the green flag is clicked, it says certain things happen. What happens if it touches red? I'm kind of seeing something there. So I can start the green flag and I can just let it touch. I'm not going to move the, oh, hmm. So I click the green flag again. Oh, there we go. So it starts over. This is what Scratch is. It's computer programming for kids. And your first lesson is going to be to explore some of the things that other people have done in Scratch. This is just one example. To look at those, you need to go to File. You need to go to Open. We're not going to save this project. It's not ours. And then here we go. And I can go back to examples. Here are the games. You might want to start with those. Other things you might want to look at are animations, because those are some things we can do with Scratch. Music and dance is always fun, so you can look at these that people have done because you can also make music things in Scratch. Anyway, it's your job for the next 20 minutes to explore Scratch. Then we're going to come back to the carpet and we're going to talk about what we discovered and what we noticed.